You are going to love the 2015 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Your new ride is just a phone call away.